Is there a way to involve parents on the Tag Scores online assessment system? How will they get engaged? What will be the benefit of the student, parent and teacher engagement? Many of our current customers had exactly the same worry or confusion in their buying process before they bought the Tag Scores online assessment system. If you too have the same question, then please watch this video till the end, in which I share with you how to master student, parent and teacher collaboration using the Tag Scores online assessment system in 4 simple steps. Hi, my name is Jasjeet Ahluwalia. I am the director of Tag Scores, an award-winning entrepreneur, businessman and an MBA from the London Business School. I have helped over 800 educators increase their profit from 17% to 2300% by increasing revenue, reducing cost and increasing market share by conducting over 1.4 million assessments. Parent dashboards highlight students' individual test performance and e-portfolios of their awards. Parents can be provided with separate user IDs to access their child's progress and report cards. Using the parents' dashboards, parents can get full and deep insight into the activities of their ward and can get engaged to enhance the experiences of their ward. It is beneficial for the student if the parents and teachers will have the child's back and have a live progress on the child's performance. In the upcoming features, we will also come up with additional features to further enhance this parent, teacher and student collaboration. If you would like to benefit from at least 50% of what has been mentioned above, call us now for a free trial and to know about our special promotions. Also, you can click the given link to reach us. We will do our very best to help you. Click now or call now.